What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Oh, sorry about that. Welcome back to the channel. Today, Christmas came early. Actually, today is Christmas when I'm filming this. I got some parts. There we go. I got some parts for the Denali to install. Take a guess what they are before we head in the shop here and take a look at them. If I'm a little bit, delayed or a little bit kind of sluggish, it's probably about 5 o'clock at night here, Christmas Day. It's been a hell of a long day. With that being said, it's Christmas. So, had a couple Christmas drinks, and we'll go from there. Anyways, let's go in the shop, and we'll show you guys what we got. Alright, we're in the shop. Got the heat going. I've had it going for about the last hour or so. And I think I gotta get a new heater, folks. I really think I do. This one's just not doing its thing anymore. I got this one down here. I might plug in instead of this guy. Currently, it's about that cold in here. You got the Fahrenheits and the Celsiuses, so it's not too bad. Anyways, inside here, we've got some LED lights. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. One hand and a lower lip. These are the LED lights for the mirrors for the Denali. So, like I said, I apologize if I'm delayed. I'm also really cold. I didn't dress for this. I didn't realize it would be as chilly as it is in here. So, we're gonna get these installed. It's actually probably one of the warmest days of the winter we're gonna get. I was worried about breaking plastic, so I waited until it was warm. So we're going to get these installed and see, how they work. Got the T20. I believe that's the size I need to take everything apart. And we'll go from there. I'm not going to start and run the vehicle, of course, because I've been drinking. And I don't want no violations, right? We're not about that shit. We don't drink and drive. I'm not even going to fucking risk even starting a vehicle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the 4-ways on. And then tomorrow, we'll fire it up and we'll do all that stuff. Like I said, it's Christmas. My guys had a couple Christmas drinks. I'm not going to let it ruin my things with the box. I was worried about Christmas because I got that violation a couple weeks ago. So I'm going to play it safe, play it cool, play it calm, play it collected, right? Don't drink and drive. I can't stress that enough, folks. It's never worth it, ever. You get a taxi, get an Uber. There's so many options for public transport nowadays. You don't need to drink and drive. I'm just saying that. Anyways, let's get the old lights off and get a new one on and see how they look. All right, out here at the Denali, you can see it snowed again. It's only -11, so it's not too bad. But yeah, as you can see, we got this kind of issue. I don't know if that just did stuff. Hang on, let me check. Okay, I just had people messaging me, wishing me a Merry Christmas, and I wasn't sure if it was popping up and being recorded. He always worried about that kind of shit. Anyways, yeah, as you can see, remember when I did these, tinted them, they kind of broke. So I ordered these guys here. And to do it, let's pull it ahead. Go underneath. There's a screw right here. I think I have the wrong size. Give me a second, folks. I'll be back. And I'll have the new one on. Because it takes two hands. Because you got to dig around. We'll be back with the new one on. But, yeah. That's what the old one looks like. There's one on. None of the clips are broken. It just literally fits like ass. I'm not gonna lie, fits like complete dog shit. You take the screw out, fits good. Put the screw in, it doesn't fit at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hang on, shoe glue it, and then tape it up, and we'll check it tomorrow and see if it fixes it. If not, I'm just gonna throw these away. But you guys will see, or I'll strip the LED out of it, and I'll put it in these ones that actually fit and didn't drop and didn't do this stupid shit. Like, that is fucking crazy. Like, wow, that is bad. Fitment, complete garbage. Okay, you can see kind of what it's supposed to do. I got it shoe glued in there, tightened up, taped up for the night. We'll check tomorrow. Hopefully, you know, hopefully it's going to be good. So, I don't understand why they make stuff that doesn't, you know, work properly. But, yeah, that's what they look like. So, much better. And the best part is there's nothing here, right? Like, yeah, there's a little bit there. But whoop-de-doo, there's nothing here to distract you from the mirror. So, that's awesome. Let's see what the other side has to, if we have to do the same kind of fuck around. And again, before we begin, you see how it was before, right? It's not dropped in, it's not all fucking up, right? Everything's in place. Let's see what happens when we put the new one on, shall we? Well, got the other one off. The new one on, folks, and look at that. No tape, no nothing. It's solid in place. Starting to wonder if maybe the other mirror isn't kind of fucked. Maybe this mirror's broken up inside here. So, but we'll leave it like this for the night. We'll see how it is in the morning, and then we'll go from there. But look at the four ways flashing, so you guys can kind of get an idea here. Yeah, it's pretty neat, and that's what it looks like without the tape in the way. So, awesome. Alright, we got everything in. It's getting late. I'm going to go in and have some cabbage rolls and ham, and, you know, that looks fucking good. That's perfect. That one's perfect. And it is so easy, just boop and this one? No, this one is a dick. So I'm wondering if this isn't broken somewhere in here. But we have a trip coming up to a junkyard to check on some parts. So maybe we can get what we need. If we need a new mirror, we can get it. But anyways, like I said, it's Christmas night. I'm going to go in now and have some supper with the kids. And I will see you guys tomorrow to find out if that mirror actually sticks in, or that light actually sticks in a place or not. Fingers crossed, folks. It's actually not that bad out right now. Hopefully it stays, you know, about this overnight. We'll be good. So, see you then. Alrighty, everybody. It is the next day. Just saw the kids off with their maws, and I got the tape off the Denali. Want to see what it looks like? That looks a million times better. It's dirty here, but it looks a million times better. A little bit of schmutz up under here I got. Right, but I can clean that off with some rubbing alcohol when it gets a little bit nicer out. Not a big deal, but there they are. Look at that. They look good. You know what I mean? They don't look out of place. They look stock. And the best part is when you hit the four ways or your signal stick, they're sequential, which I like a lot. I think that's really cool. kind of give you guys an idea what we're going to be doing with the headlights here coming up in the next couple weeks. As long as orders come through, we're going to be getting the headlights to match, which I think would be pretty neat. And my favorite part of this, guys, is this. I'm sitting here, right, we're driving, we got the signal on, look at, it's not flashing on this side, so we don't get all, you know, blinded by the light. That right there is a bonus. So with that, guys, I'm going to end today's video. The kids are gone, it's Friday for me. I'm going to get a whole bunch of leftovers together and get some wrestling on the tube, and then probably call it an early night. So got my family's Christmas thing tomorrow. We'll see if I make it or not. Haven't been feeling the greatest, so we'll see. I hope to. But I hope you guys all had a great Christmas, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, safe New Year's. And remember, if you guys have a drink or two, call an Uber, call a cab, walk, take a bus. Okay, don't drive. Especially here in Saskatchewan. I don't know how you guys' statistics are, but it's bad. Like our DUI rate here is way, 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 way too high. And there's a lot of fatalities and a lot of people, you know, that don't make it. Our premier is unalived somebody drinking and driving. And for you people who aren't Canadian, a premier is like a senator. So, yeah. So that's how severe the problem is here. So I advocate no drinking and driving. For me, I might have a beer or two. My keys are hidden, thrown away. I won't leave the house for I won't even try starting my vehicle for like 24 hours after I've had a drink. So that's because I have the box as well, but also just my own state of mind. I won't, if I've been drinking, I always wait, you know, at least 8 hours before I'll drive. So anyways, guys, I don't want to bore you anymore. Enjoy the fireworks on New Year's, all that jazz. We'll see you guys in the new year. January 6th, I think, maybe is the next time we're coming out. I don't know, but first Tuesday of January. We'll see you guys then. Anyways, till then, take care of yourselves. Love you. God bless.